most of the people tend to ignore or people tend to not see is engaging people when they comment. I did a LinkedIn post yesterday which said how to do public speaking. So I said, speak like as if you're speaking when you're alone. And there's a person called James Bash. We have been connected for 8 years, but we never spoke. I didn't even know. And then he wrote a very big commentary saying, I never speak when I am alone. So this advice doesn't mean anything to me. And then he said how he does public speaking and all of that. And it was great. And then I responded back to his comment. Then he sent me a one-on-one message saying, hey, by the way, I have developed this whole new AI based quality engineering tool which is helping DevOps engineers, and I want to give it away free to your company because I know the scale at which you are building and all that. I connected him to my dev team. Today we realized that in license we were paying for a similar tool, we were paying about $120,000 a month, a year, and what he is giving is much superior, and he's giving it to us at free of cost. And this whole thing happened because of a LinkedIn post that probably that resonated well with him. And then we started exchanging text on Telegram, and he said how public speaking was a big no for him, initially when he started, and then he wrote a couple of books and all of that, and then he could not avoid public speaking, how he took some coaching, and the conversation went on. But the post was appealing to him, and then he was kind enough and very generous in offering the tool free of cost to us. I mean, it is free of cost for 3 years. So we are saving straight away $360,000, which is a great saving for us and our organization. So engage with people when they write comments, when they send you messages. I mean, obviously, if it is a very random message or if somebody is trying to sell you a bulk SMS, you can ignore it. But if it is relevant, be it in your inbox, be it on your comments, respond back to them and reach out to them. I think that will give you a great help. One other thing that will make things much that will accelerate your efforts is when you're tagging the right partners and right people and giving them the credit. When you do that, 90% of the time people will acknowledge and people will say, when you have tagged them, I mean, they'll feel more responsible and they will act in your favor. So I do this very leniently, but just make sure that you're not tagging people in anything controversial, political, and all of that, because that may backfire. But as long as it is nice and decent post, more around thought leadership, you should, feel free to do it.